Alright, so we're going to show you how to do a 2011 Toyota Sienna cabin air filter. It's going to be in this bottom glove box. You can start by squeezing those two pieces together to release. Easier with two hands. Release that little retainer, and now you push in on that side, pull in on that side, and bring that down. And then you're going to have that right there. Your cover, there's two tabs. Pull it, get both tabs loose. Pull that out. And then you're going to pull this filter out. This is the old filter. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think this filter's ever been changed. We'll put the new K&N filter in. This is reusable, washable. K&N. And it only goes in one way, so I must have it upside down. Yeah, there's some additional debris in there. We can go ahead and fish anything out that you see before you put this back in. And then we'll just slide that in. Put the cover back on. Push these. These are tapered right here. It should push in pretty easily. And then of course connect your retaining rod and you're done. Thanks. Please subscribe.